3 rules of growth. Growth never happens by chance. It's not about luck, and it's not some kind of magic. Growth is built slowly, day after day, choice after choice. No matter who you are, there are 3 principles you must live by if you want to grow. Rule 1. Show up every day. Growth doesn't start with big leaps. It starts with consistency. It's not the rare bursts of effort that matter, but the simple decision to show up again and again. Success is never built on what you do occasionally. It's built on what you repeat daily. That means even when you're tired, even when you're unmotivated, even when it feels like nothing is changing, you still show up. That habit of showing up is what separates people who only dream from those who actually do. Remember this: consistency outlasts intensity. Tiny steps taken every day will take you much farther than one giant effort done once in a while. Rule 2. Turn pain into power. Real growth doesn't come from comfort. It comes from challenges. Your failures, your heartbreaks, your setbacks, they aren't the end of your story. They're the foundation of it. Pain can either break you or shape you. The choice is always yours. You can let it crush your spirit, or you can let it sharpen your drive. You can let it hold you down, or you can let it push you forward. Don't run from pain. Don't hide from it. Don't bury it. Use it. Turn it into fire. Let it fuel your purpose. Let it remind you why you started. Because once you learn how to turn pain into energy, nothing can stop your growth. Rule 3. Keep moving forward. The biggest threat to growth is standing still. It doesn't matter how slowly you move or how small your steps are. What matters is that you keep going. Every single step builds momentum, and momentum is what creates change. You don't need to see the entire path. Just take the next step. Even crawling forward is better than standing still. Even the smallest progress keeps the journey alive. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait until you feel ready. Don't wait for fear to vanish. Move anyway. Step forward anyway. Grow anyway. Final reminder: in life, your life, these are the 3 rules of growth. Show up daily. Turn pain into power. Keep moving forward. If you commit to these rules, growth won't just be possible, it will be inevitable. So take your next step and become the person you were always meant to be. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed.